Power your home, business, RV, off-grid system, or solar energy installation with the LiFePO4 48 volts lithium solar battery, a high-performance energy storage solution engineered for long service life, exceptional safety, and reliable power delivery. Available in 51.2 volts 100 Ah, 200 Ah, and 300 Ah, up to 15 kWh, configurations. This advanced battery is ideal for residential solar systems, backup power, energy storage, marine applications, and commercial renewable energy projects. In this video, we take an in-depth look at this powerful LiFePO4 48 volts battery and explore its advanced features, including 6,000+ charge cycles, an intelligent 16S200A battery management system, BMS, high energy density, superior thermal stability, and maintenance-free operation. Whether you're building an off-grid solar power system, upgrading your home battery storage, powering an RV, supporting a telecom installation, or creating a reliable backup power solution, this lithium battery delivers outstanding efficiency, long-term reliability, and consistent performance. Built with lithium iron phosphate, LiFePO4, technology, the battery offers excellent safety, longer lifespan, and greater efficiency compared to traditional lead-acid batteries, making it one of the most reliable energy storage solutions available today. Key features: LiFePO4 lithium iron phosphate battery 48 volts, 51.2 volts energy storage system. Available in 100 Ah, 200 Ah, and 300 Ah capacities. Up to 15 kWh energy storage. 6,000+ charge and discharge cycles. Intelligent 16S200A battery management system, BMS, high-capacity lithium battery. Solar energy storage solution. Home backup power system. Off-grid power storage. High energy efficiency. Deep cycle battery technology. Maintenance-free operation. Stable voltage output. Fast charging capability. Long service life. Excellent thermal stability. Low self-discharge rate. Compact and durable design. Reliable renewable energy storage. The integrated 16S200A BMS continuously monitors voltage, current, temperature, and battery balance, providing comprehensive protection against overcharging, over-discharging, overcurrent, overheating, and short circuits. This intelligent management system helps maximize battery life while ensuring safe and dependable operation. With an impressive 6,000+ cycle lifespan, this LiFePO4 battery significantly outlasts conventional lead-acid batteries, reducing replacement costs and delivering excellent long-term value for residential and commercial energy storage applications. The 51.2 volts architecture is ideal for modern solar power systems and hybrid inverters, providing stable energy output and high conversion efficiency for everyday use. Ideal applications: residential solar energy storage, off-grid solar systems, hybrid solar installations, home backup power, RV and camper power systems, marine applications, tiny homes, cabins, telecom backup systems, industrial energy storage, UPS systems, emergency power solutions, renewable energy projects, commercial battery storage. The battery's high-capacity design allows it to store large amounts of energy generated during the day for use at night or during power outages, helping reduce electricity costs while increasing energy independence. Whether you're expanding your renewable energy system, replacing aging lead-acid batteries, or installing a dependable backup power solution, the LiFePO4 48 volts 300 Ah 15 kWh battery offers exceptional performance, outstanding durability, and reliable energy storage for years to come. Subscribe to the channel for more reviews, demonstrations, and the latest innovations in solar energy, lithium batteries, renewable power systems, off-grid technology, home energy storage, and clean energy solutions.